Welcome to AutoMaster Cars, your ultimate destination for car reviews, in-depth analysis, and everything automotive. If you love cars as much as we do, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Today, we're diving into a car that carries a legendary name, but comes with a modern twist, the 2025 Volkswagen Golf GTI Mk1. This special edition takes inspiration from the original 1976 GTI, blending classic styling with cutting-edge technology and performance. At first glance, the design instantly reminds you of the Mk1. Volkswagen has paid tribute to its roots by incorporating retro-inspired elements, such as the round LED headlights, a slim red grille line, and a black honeycomb lower bumper. The car even features classic-style wheels reminiscent of the original Pirelli rims, giving it a nostalgic yet aggressive stance. Step inside, and the homage continues. The plaid seat upholstery, a signature GTI feature, makes a return, paired with modern premium materials like Alcantara and brushed aluminum. The dashboard is a perfect fusion of past and future, featuring a digital cockpit with classic GTI graphics, a driver-focused layout, and a high-resolution infotainment screen loaded with the latest tech, including wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an upgraded Harman Kardon sound system. Under the hood, the 2025 Golf GTI Mk1 hacks a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, producing around 265 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. Power is sent to the front wheels through either a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 7-speed DSG dual-clutch automatic. Volkswagen has fine-tuned the suspension for an engaging yet comfortable ride, ensuring it stays true to the GTI's hot hatch legacy. Performance-wise, this car is no slouch. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 6 seconds, making it quicker than most of its predecessors. The limited slip differential and adaptive damping system work together to provide excellent grip and precise handling, whether you're carving up a mountain road or tackling tight city streets. Volkswagen has also ensured that this special edition GTI isn't just about performance, but also about exclusivity. Only a limited number of units will be produced, each with a numbered plaque on the dashboard, making it a true collector's item for enthusiasts. The 2025 Golf GTI Mk1 isn't just a car, it's a celebration of a legacy. It pays respect to the original hot hatch while delivering the power, technology, and driving experience expected from a modern GTI. Whether you're a longtime GTI fan or new to the world of hot hatches, this car is bound to impress. That's all for today's review. Let us know in the comments what you think about this retro-inspired GTI. Would you add one to your collection? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to AutoMaster Cars, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.